Kung ano man yung mga past resentment meron ka, okay? So, you have to let it go. Surrender mo na yan. Forgive all your enemies. Kasi napaparamdam dito yung Knight of Wands mo. Because this is the fire sign. And you use that for your inspire of action. For your future. Shoutout po sa mga nandito. Kumusta po guys? 11 million viewers. Hello po. Meron naman tayong mga VIP member. Yung mga VIP member ko guys, sila po yung nakpa one-on-one private reading na sa akin, sa messenger. Sila po yung mga very important person. And it's my obligation, okay, to check their energy. Wala pa man nakikita ko dito. Puro bago nakikita ko. Shoutout po sa 5 million viewers. Naka-live na po ako ng 9 minutes and local time is 10:38 in the morning. Kumusta po kayo? So, I gonna repeat guys ha. Sa live ko, ang rules ko dito, okay, only for 20 roses or donut, 3 cards for your zodiac energy. No asking for pregnancy, school, cheating, or illness. Wala pong yes or no ha. Yan. And make sure you follow, share, and tap. Hello po sa mga nandito guys. Shoutout po. So tap the screen guys. So, magkaiba po yung daily energy at yung private reading. Yung private reading naman, ginagamit ko ng tarot. Pero kapag first time po, warm up muna tayo sa oracle. Okay? Bago tayo mag-proceed sa tarot. And sa tarot spread naman, Celtic ang ginagamit ko. Doon naman, makikita talaga ninyo kung saan ba nanggagaling ang inyong energy. Yeah. So, madami pong kwento doon. By narrative po yun. Okay? Ito naman, daily energy, it's based for your zodiac sign. Okay? Kasi, everyday kasi, nagpapaulit ng pwesto ang mga planet. Okay? So, yun. So, especially, alam naman nyo, pinaka-present talaga, parati nandyan. Diba si Mercury? Thank you, Minaj. Okay, so, buena mano si Minaj. Sa umaga, siya po yung una. And I think this is your first time na mapanood itong live ko. So, sa 3 cards na ito, ano ba ang zodiac sign mo? Pa-energy reading. So, I need your zodiac sign. Libra. Okay. Paano ko yung music ko muna? Kasi masyadong malakas yung music. Baka hindi talaga ako mag-concentrate. Ayan po. Libra si Minaj. So, first cards kay Minaj. Kung ano ba? Libra. Universe. Okay. Give me ang energy to read Libra. 1 card. Okay. 3 cups. Ayan na. Second card. Aba naman, the moon. The moon card. Okay. The third card, the Knight of Wands. Ayan. So, ito kasi yung energy mo bilang isang Libra. Yan. So, sinasabi talaga dito, Use your intuition, trust your instinct. Okay? You have the freedom, you have the right, whatever you choose a path. Basta lang yung daan or yung pathway mo na alam mo ay tama. Okay? Never go back for your past. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga past resentment meron ka, okay? So, you have to let it go. Surrender mo na yan. Forgive all your enemies. Kasi napaparamdam dito yung Knight of Wands mo. Because this is the fire sign. And you use that for your inspire of action. For your future. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang pagkakataon na gawin lahat or ituwid lahat. Okay? Naget mo ba? Yon. So when it comes naman sa career, it's about your career and your ambition because the sun is in Gemini. Okay? Syempre naman, ito kasing it's a warrior. Sabi, paano ba ako naging warrior? Libra man ako, air. You know, lahat mo tayo, meron tayong 4 elements. Okay? So, never use one element. Lahat dapat ginagamit yan. Okay? Sabi ko sa iyo. Now, ang second card na babasahin ko naman, yung 3 cups mo. Okay, Minach? Ito ba may kinalaman to sa relationship? Okay? Para nakikita ko kasi dito yung depressed ka. Okay? Or meron kang mga something na painful experience ba? Okay? Parang hindi mo talaga matanggap nangyari. Okay? Naget mo ba, Minach? Okay? So, yun. So, nandito kasi yung yes, tama. Okay? Yun. Pero sinasabi naman talaga sa 3 cups. Okay, because 3 cups, it can be also talking about, diba, in opposite way. Yung betrayal, okay? But, it also reminds the 3 cups na sinasabi dito na dapat na when it comes na sa mga loneliness ka, okay, or emptiness, or sad ka, yun talaga pumapasok na yung kaibigan natin. Diba? Alam mo yung mga friends mo na you can trust, you can share. Diba? So, yung mga trusted na friend. Kasi syempre naman, nandyan sila to comfort, to give you support. Okay? Yan. And it's not only for your friends. It's about your creativity. Kaya sinasabi dito, diba? Kailangan, tama lang yun sa isang araw. Sanayin mo isang araw ka lang malungkot, okay lang umiyak ka, 'di ba? Tapos mag-recover ka na. Okay? Yan dapat mong gawin. So, kaya sasabi ng card dito okay? Kailangan positive lang. All you need to do now is to cross, to go to the, 'di ba? Too far. It's about your future. Sasabi dito sa card na to. To embark your journey. Naget mo ba? Kaya dapat doon ka. So, nakikita ko naman dito sa card, it's about inspiration. Find the people that makes you inspire. Okay? At syempre naman, 'di ba? Kung mataas yung emotion mo, yung may chance naman na mataas yung creativity mo, na malalampas mo lahat to at ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo. Naget mo ba? So, bring back again your radiant Libra. Naget mo ba? So, yun. So, sasabi nga dito sa card na to, kung ano man yung mga dreams mo, okay, is fully supported by the universe. Okay? Now, kailangan mag-concentrate ka to have a solid foundation. Believe in your ability to manifest the prosperity and take a practical step towards your goal. Okay ka na? So, good luck sa Minach.